I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Good morning. It is March 18, 2021, and this is what I'm watching today. I'm watching ACOR. This is starting to look really good. If we can get continuation and strength above 610, this has a chance to recover. It's definitely downward pressure, but it's not a lot, and there's low volume, so we can see if it'll go back up. BCLI, I've been talking about this for, I don't know, since I started the channel. If we can see a little bit of volume today and definitely want to hold the 4-3 range, we can start to trend reverse. BCLI has been as high as 18. They've had some issues. Look up their news, but there may be value here. BIOC, if we get any kind of volume continuation, it's more than feasible to start the climb back up to 838. BRQS, played this earlier this week, but I'm probably gonna continue on, look for continuation, and maybe add a little bit here. We'll see if we get real power over 1.7. It's been as high as 335. CNCE, this is a slow moving play. The only benefit here is this volume, right? We can see this volume here hasn't sold unless it's trickled out over all these days, but I don't think so, because if this volume was going to run away when it dipped below here, it would have ran, but it didn't. So it's been as high as 1344. It's at 628 now. Is there value? I think the real value begins when it gets over 650, close to 7, but maybe this is where it starts. DOGZ, this craziness up in here, but it's starting to form a real base. If there's any kind of continuation today, there could be real value. EARS, EARS. This has a chance to pivot pretty hard, right? So here to here to here to here, 628. I'm looking for volume. If volume pours in early, this could go. ELSE, ELSE. This one's a slow mover. We're really looking for continuation above 5.5, some real strength above 5.5. It's been as high as 7.9. EMKR. I'm leaving these here because this is coming. If there's any volume, this is coming. KBNT, high as 16, right now 7.9. Same thing, lots of volume. There was some selling and it's kind of trickled down, but if it goes to 8.2 with volume, 8.3 with volume, you can pivot, right? And we can go through there. LITB, we really want continuation, right? It's been as high as 569. If we can get some continuation, we can start to move. Like right here, there was continuation, right? You can see how this volume, like this volume is more than over here. So when you see this is when it can start to climb. LLIT, it's just that it's $9 and it was 17, and you can see this volume here really hasn't gone anywhere. MOSY, looking for continuation. If this gets volume, there could be nice value. OBLN is probably a sleeper of the day. It's 357. It was 1077. If there's any kind of real consolidation above 3.7, I'm going to look to enter. SGOC, same thing. It's been high as 421. It's at 2 now. any kind of, our real price target would be in here, 272. Alright, so we get continuation today. We're really looking to sell a bit here. Well, that's what I'm looking to do. SIFY, this has been talked about for a week or so. Any kind of consolidation around 4.5, you know, first price target would be 5.3, 5.89. We'll see where we go from there. TYHT is back on the list. Really want to see it get above 414, 418 with volume, and it can take off. ZYNE, you know, I definitely like this more on 312, but there seems to be like real value in here, so I'm going to look at possibly entering. And that's it. Good luck. Have fun.